ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् तावद्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। I hope you all know the meaning of this shloka.
Yes, Guruji.
We have seen elaborately. This is a definition of a sutra. Maheshwara Sutrani. Ayyavun Rilak Ong I ouch Varat Lan Yamanganadam Jabhai Gadadash Jabagadash Khapa Chatata Chatatau Kapai Shashasar What is Ak?
Simple Baba,
Simple And what is Ik? Nakara is not included. It's a ithilate. It should not be considered. The content of Ik is Ik pratyahara is I-U-R-L. Ik is a pratyahara. Ak is a pratyahara. Akuka visarjaniyanam ghantaha. Ichuyashanam talu. Ruturashanam murdha. Lutulasanam dantaha. उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
आनियानाम् ओष्टौ
यमगणनानां नासिका च
यमगणनानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ओदौ तयोः कण्ठोष्टम्
ओष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
यस्य
जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
सदा
रामं
विजयते
रमेशं
रामं
भजे
रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विगता निशाचरचमोः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति
नास्ति
परायणं
परायणं परतरं
परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
मे चित्तलयस्य सदा भवन्मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
भो राम रामामुद्धर
Last class we chanted Rama Shabda. We're just revising all the Shabdas one by one. So 1 week time is enough, more than enough to memorize Rama Shabda. Now Hari Shabda. If you're not memorized Rama Shabda, please do it. Then Hari Shabda. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Hari Shabdaha.
पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
Hari Hari Harayah.
हरिः हरयः
Harim Hari Harina.
हरिं हरिः
हरीन
Harina Haribhyam Haribihi.
हरिणा
ना
हरिभ्यां
हरिभ्यां
हरिभिः
हरिः
Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyah.
हरये
हरये
हरिभ्यां
हरिभ्यां
हरिभ्यः
हरिभ्यः
Harehe Haribhyam Haribhyah.
हरेः
हरेः
हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरिभ्यः
Harehe Haryoho Harinam.
हरेः हर्योः
हरियोः
हरीणाम्
हरीणाम्
Haro Haryoho Harishu.
हर्योः
हर्यो हरीषु
Harishu, not Harishu. Harishu.
हरीषु
He Hare, He Hari, He Harayah.
हे हरे हे हरयः
Then you can chant this form of dhatu. Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti.
भवन्तः
भवतः
भवन्ति
भवन्ति
Vasi, Bhavataha, Bhavatha.
भवसि
वस्ति
भवतः
भवतः
Bhavami, Bhavaha, Bhavamaha.
भवामि भवामः
वामः
So when you do the abhyasa, you can always add the Purusha. Aham Bhavami, Avam Bhavavaha, Vayam Bhavamaha. Even though if it is not there, it is understood. Similarly, Tvam Bhavasi. Tvam Bhavasi, Yuvam Bhavataha. Yuyam Bhavata. Saha Bhavati or Sa Bhavati or Tat Bhavati, whatever may be. Similarly, Tau Bhavataha or Te Bhavataha. Then Bhavanti, Te Bhavanti, Taha Bhavanti or Tani Bhavanti, whichever linga. You have to practice. I will send you the table. The table is very useful. remember the table I sent you, that table with
Yes, yes.
simple kriya padam, different kriya padams and different purushas.
correct.
This is for abhyasa. If the table is practiced, you practice as many times as possible, so you get familiarity with the usage of the the purusha. Aham, avam, vayam, similarly, tvam, yuvam, yuyam. So when you say tvam, then it should be si, patasi, dhyayasi, khadasi, tvam. If it is yuyam, then patatha, khadata, babuvachanam. So bhavata, patata, khadata, dhyayata, iti. Okay. We will do exercise on this. Continue today. Before that, since many of you attend the Vedanta other classes, Sandhi is important. Therefore, I introduce Sandhi. We'll spend some time on Sandhi today and then get back to the lessons. Please mute your mic. We know what Sandhi is. The close proximity of letters is called Sandhi. Remember the definition. The close proximity of letters is called Sandhi. Varnanam atishayitaha sannidhihi samhita. All these things we have seen. Samhita is a technical word. Okay, it's a technical word. So therefore we know Samhita is Sandhi. For this Sandhi topic, the knowledge of Pratyahara is important. What is Pratyahara? Anybody?
Grouping of letters.
Grouping of letters. That is ak, ik, ach, hal, kar, jhal, all those things. They are called Pratyaharas. The Pratyaharas are very important. Number one. And number two is familiarity with the words Sthani, Adesha, which is very important. What is a Sthani? A Sthani is that where the change going to happen. Sthani is that which will be replaced by Adesha. The Sthani could be a letter or it could be a syllable or more than one syllable. So Sthani is that which is replaced. Adesha is that which will replace the Sthani. That which is ordained in the place of Sthani is called Adesha. These are technical words. Sthani, Adesha. So the knowledge of Pratyahara and familiarity with the word Sthani, Adesha, is very important. All these things we have seen. It's not new. You can refer to the previous class. Then the first rule I introduced. Sandhi is of these three types. Swara Sandhi, Vyanjana Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi. In this Swara Sandhi we are seeing, and Swara Sandhi we have seen the first Sandhi, which is called Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. For that we should know what Savarna is. You know what Savarna is. What is a Savarna? We have explained this before.
Same place of
Similar letters
pronunciation.
Simple vowels.
like E and E.
Similar letters. Savarna, two letters are considered to be Savarna when they have same place of pronunciation. That is why the knowledge of Shiksha Sutra is important. Apagavasarjaniyanam kantaha, ichuyashanam talu. It's very important. So the vowel, the short vowel and the long vowel a, for example, I'm saying these are Savarna to each other. When you say a is also understood because Savarna. So wherever a is there, it can bring its long form. Similarly, e can bring its e. U can bring its form u, iti. Right? Why? Because a is kanta. And a is also kanta. Right? Both are guttural. Therefore, understand this. Understand this, all of you. Why it is? Because similar place of pronunciation. Now, can you all hear me?
Yes, Guru.
Yes, Guruji.
What about the vowel and the consonants? Are they savarna or not?
No, Guruji.
They're not.
They are not. Even though akuga visarjaniyanam kanta, say for example, a and ku stands for kavarga letters. A is vowel. Even though they are kanta, but they are not savarna. It's a rule. We cannot ask why. You said that they have the same place of pronunciation. It is savarna. Now you are not saying no, because vowels and consonants cannot be savarna. Even though they are kanta, not only kanta, other differences are there. We don't know what they are now. Therefore, let us know that vowels and consonants, they cannot be savarna. Right? So savarna, what is savarna? We know. A letter is similar to another letter when it has similarity in terms of the place of pronunciation and effort. We have the knowledge of only the place of pronunciation, not effort. That is why I didn't mention effort. Effort is there. Effort are of two types: internal effort, external effort. It's a big topic. That is why it's not required at this stage. That's why I'm not saying that. So place of pronunciation. Right? Therefore, a is similar to either a or a. Similarly, e is similar to e or e. But a is not similar to e. A being kanta, e being talu. Therefore, they are not similar. So this is called savarna. If they are not savarna, it is called asavarna, dissimilar. Na savarna, asavarna. If you add a negative particle a, then it becomes opposite meaning. Dharma, adharma, like that. Savarna, similar. Asavarna, dissimilar. A is equal to dis. Remember, the opposite. And the vowels and consonants cannot be similar to each other, even though the place of pronunciation is same. Important. So you need to note that. So, therefore, the first sandhi what we saw is savarna dirgha sandhi. It comes under the classification swara sandhi. Swara is vowel. You can call it as swara sandhi or you can call it as ach sandhi. What is ach?
All the
All
vowels.
vowels.
And vowels are called swara, right? Vowels are called swara. So you can call the sandhi as swara sandhi or ach sandhi. Any name you can call. So swara sandhyaha ashtavidaha bhavanti. Swara sandhis are of 8 types. These are the 8 types: savarna dirgha sandhi, yam sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, ayavayava sandhi, purvarupa sandhi, pararupa sandhi, prakriti bhavaha iti. Among this, we are going to see only 6 now. Another 2 we will see later. So savarna dirgha sandhi already we saw, introduced. So therefore now we are going to see only vowel sandhi, ach sandhi. Vowel sandhi is vowels are ach, therefore ach sandhi or swara sandhi. Any name you can have it. So savarna dirgha sandhi, let us quickly recall. What is savarna dirgha sandhi? You need to remember the rule. When ak is followed by a savarna ak, the resultant change is the dirgha ak. It means when the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the following word, when the last letter of the first word is ak, ak means any of the letter e, a, e, u, r, l, followed by the savarna ak, the first letter of the following word. If it is ak, then both is purva and para. Purva is the last letter of the first word. Para is the first letter of the second word. Both will be replaced by its corresponding long form. That is called dirgha sandhi, savarna dirgha sandhi. So they've explained this, so I don't want to get into it again. Just quickly, you can see here, when ak is followed by savarna ak, the last letter of the purvapada and the first letter of the parapada, both will be replaced by savarna dirgha ak. Examples are given here. All the possibilities are given. Ak is a, I, u, r, l. So all the possibilities are given. A plus a is equal to a plus a is equal to a, or a plus a is equal to a plus a is equal to a. So a is ak letter, the last letter of the first word. And the first letter of the following word is a. So a and a, they are similar to each other. Therefore, both will be replaced by the corresponding dirgha ak, the long ak. It means, what is the dirgha of a? What is the dirgha of this a, the following a? That is also a. Both have a as its dirgha form. Therefore, both will be replaced by a. Similarly, if you take the last one, a plus a, that is the last letter of the first word, followed by a, the first letter of the following word. Now, a and a, they are similar to each other. The long form of a will be a only. Similarly, the long form of this a will be a only. So both will be replaced by a. You need to understand. Similarly for all the other combinations. Okay. It is simple. It's not difficult to understand. If you have any difficulty, you can let me know. So that is called. So that similarly we can extend to a, I, u, r. L, I am not taking it because it is L plus L, what will happen?
There is no dirgha.
There is no dirgha L.
Yeah.
Therefore, it will not be replaced by dirgha L. And also there are no examples in the language for L followed by L. So therefore, we don't need to worry about that. Therefore, it is not covered. Do we have dirgha L? No. Refer to the basic classes. There is no dirgha L. L is always short only. Right? You know there are 8 long vowels and 5 short vowels. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 vowels, and all those things we know. The basic class we saw. Therefore, L is not covered. Even though ak is a, I, u, r, L part is not covered because it doesn't have long form. That much is enough now. Okay. Now, the whole thing is summarized here. Sthani 1, Sthani 2. Sthani 1 is the last letter of the first word. Sthani 2 is the first letter of the following word. If Sthani 1 is either a or a, if Sthani 2 is a or a, then both will be replaced by its corresponding form, which is going to be a. So, Adesha you can see. A, I, U, R. Adeshas are long. Therefore, the Sandhi is called Dirgha Sandhi. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Now we can see some examples. Gana plus Adipaha. Gana ending with the letter A. Adipaha starting with the letter A. So A plus A will become A. So the form will be Ganadipaha. Right? So now we will read some examples. Okay, I'll ask you to read quickly. You can, each one of you can read two examples. Girjaji.
Yes, Guruji. Brahma plus Anandaha. Brahmanandaha. Mata plus Agachati. Mata Gachati.
Mata plus Gachati. Mata Gachati, right?
Mata Gachati.
Mata Gachati. What happened to this A plus A? Both A will be replaced by one A, right?
One single A.
So here A is there in the Purva Padam, and the Parapadam also A is there. So for our understanding, I have given here avagraha. This is called avagraha. The S symbol is called.
Yeah.
It's not a letter.
Avagraha.
It is not a letter. It is called avagraha. Avagraha is a name given to this sign. Each avagraha stands for the letter A. So one A and another A. It means two A's are elided, not there. Two A's are there because of sandhi. It is not seen. That is what this avagraha denotes. What is the benefit of this showing this avagraha? So that when you split, you know it is mata plus agacchati. Suppose if avagraha is not there, then what will happen?
Mata
Mata gacchati.
Meaning will change. Mata comes or goes. Mata comes, not goes.
Yes.
Therefore, avagraha symbol is given. For our understanding only it is given. In many in Gita and other many texts you will find this. This is published by the publisher of the book, the text for our understanding. So it's not a letter. Don't think it is one more letter. It's not a letter. It is only for the reader's comfort. It is published. It is given by the publisher. So we also use that. Okay. Next person, Padmaji. Please unmute your mic. I call your name. Okay. Next person.
Can you
Manjulaji. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes. Now.
Hima plus Alayah, Himalayah, and Vidya plus Arti, Vidyarthi.
Okay. Next person, Manjulaji.
Can I ask you a question, Sharanji?
Yes.
Is the Sanskrit word for plus is yoga? Am I right or am I wrong? Do you say Vidya, yoga, Arti, or you say Vidya plus? I just read somewhere. That's what I want to ask you.
Yoga means joining. Yes.
Oh,
But,
okay.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji. Vidya plus Alayah, Vidyalayah. Bhima plus Arjuna, Bhimarjuna.
Next person, Rajeshwariji. You all understand, right? Simple one, all these things. Yeah.
Param.
Rajeshwar. Yeah. Parama, not param.
Param plus
Up.
arthaha.
Not param. If it is param, then it will become paramarthaha, not param. It is parama.
Param plus arthaha.
No, it is not param. If it is param, it will parama. If it is param plus arthaha, what will be the form?
Yes. Paramarthaha.
Paramarthaha, but it's not paramarthaha.
Right.
Parama plus arthaha. The last letter is important. We cannot drop it like Hindi.
Okay.
If it is
Parama.
consonant, makara, followed by a, makara plus a will become ma, not ma. So param is not correct. Parama plus arthaha, paramarthaha.
Yes,
Okay.
got it. Thank you. Rasa plus aswadaha. Rasa swadaha.
Yes. Next person, Manjari.
Yes, Guruji. Alpa plus aparadha is alpa paradha.
Alpa parada.
Then-
Yeah.
Yeah. Then daitya plus arihi is daityarihi.
Bhuvaneshwari.
Iha plus amutra. Ihamutra. Darbha plus asanam, darbhasanam.
Kausalyaji.
न प्लस अन्यथा नान्यथा ब्रह्म प्लस अंडम ब्रह्मांडम.
Next person, Umaji.
Adya plus api, adyapi. Na plus api, napi.
Priyaji.
Yes, right. Rama asit. Rama sit.
So here,
Tada.
Rama Sit, Avagraha we can put if you want.
Okay.
It's not there, but it is understood. We can have it if you want. We can put avagraha. Okay.
तदा आगच्छामि तदा गच्छामि
Yeah. Next person. After Priyaji. Raja. Yes.
शिष्ट प्लस आचार शिष्टाचार है आचार है शिष्टाचार है परम प्लस आनंद है परमानंद है
Next person. Lata ji.
परम प्लस आत्मा परमात्मा शश प्लस अंकः शशांकः
Sundar ji.
घृत प्लस अंगी
That is Kruta. It is
Krutangi.
Krodha.
Okay.
It is Krodha plus Agnihi. Not Angihi. Agnihi.
क्रोध प्लस अंगी
Not Angihi.
Krodha.
That is Angi. Agnihi.
Okay.
You see Gakara and Nakara there. Gakara plus Nakara plus E. Agnihi, not Angihi. Agni, fire.
Okay. क्रोध प्लस अग्नि
Yeah, please read. Continue.
क्रोधाग्नि
Then, next one.
कार्य प्लस आलयः आलयः कार्यालयः
Okay. Next person, Girija ji.
Yes, Guruji. Tava plus asmi, tavasmi. Tatha plus astu, tathastu.
Padma ji.
I lost it. Maha plus Arnavah, Maharnavah. Aduna plus Avam, Adunavam.
Manjula ji.
Kamala plus asanam, kamalasanam. Shiva plus akaram, shivakaram.
Rajeshwari ji.
Ganga plus avataranam, gangavataranam. Vishay plus anandah,
Vishaya plus
Vishaya plus anandah, Vishayanandah.
Ganga plus Avataranam. Here A plus A. So Avagraha you can add if you want. Okay.
Thank you.
It is not there, but we can understand it. I mean, A is not there. We can, if you want, you can add like this. Yes. Next person, Manjari ji.
Yes, Guruji. Asya plus asandah, asyasandah. And Satya plus agraha, agraha is satyagraha.
Guneshwari ji.
Vidya plus avidya. Vidya plus avidya, vidya vidya. Rajasa plus amshaha, rajasamshaha.
Rajasa, A plus A only. Is there. Doesn't matter. A plus A only. So Dirgha becomes Rajasam Shaha iti. A plus it begins with A. Therefore, A plus A is Savarna Dirgha only. Rajasam Shaha. You can note this example. Kausalya ji.
न प्लस असतः नासतः वेद प्लस अविनाशी वेदाविनाशी.
Next person, Umaji.
च प्लस अवेक्ष्य चावेक्ष्य वर्तम प्लस अनुवर्तन्ते वनुवर्तन्ते.
No. But not Varta. It is, read again this word.
But Vartam.
Not
Anuvartan.
Vartam. It's not Vartam.
Vat,
Read the word again. Vartma.
Vartumanuvartante.
There is no Vartuma. Vartma. Va
Vartma.
and Repa. Vartma. Conjunct consonant. Vartma.
Okay.
Vartma. Vartma. There is no Vartuma.
Okay.
Vartma is path. Anuvartante follow. All these are from Gita. Mama Vartma Anuvartante. Manushya Partha Sarvashaha. Bhagavan Krishna says in Gita. Vartma plus Anuvartante.
Vartma plus anuvartante. Vartmanuvartante.
Yes. Next person, Priyaji.
Labha plus alabha. Labha labha. Thaya plus apahridaha. Daya pahridaha.
Again. Read again.
Taya
Apahritaha.
Kritaha. Okay. Daya apakritaha.
Daya. Where is the? Is it the or the?
Taya.
Not the. Daya is different. Taya is different. Daya means compassion. Taya is by her. Right?
Taya. Okay. Taya apakritaha. Taya pakritaha.
Taya pahritaha.
Taya pakritaha.
Taya plus apahritaha. Taya pahritaha. Many of you have problem in reading the script. You should practice reading Sanskritam. Rajaji.
Nitya plus anitya. Nitya nitya. Dharma plus adharma. Dharma dharma.
Okay. Next person, Lataji. Now A plus A and all those combinations we have seen. Now we are going to see combinations of the letter E and E. Different combinations. Lataji, you can read.
Yati plus Indra. Yatindraha. Yati plus Iha. Yadiha.
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 Now can you explain this? What happened here? Yati plus Indraha.
E plus E. That is Dirgha E. Yatindra.
Why E plus E is replaced by Dirgha? Why not by any other letter? A or U?
They are same letters.
Same means what? You have to explain.
Varna.
You have to explain. I don't know Sanskritam. You have to explain that.
They are in the same form.
What form? What is the form?
Pronunciation is the same.
Tell me what it is. You are not answering specifically.
Similar letters and place of pronunciation.
Tell me what is the pronunciation, why it is similar. It's a difficult question. Who can explain? Anybody?
Savarna Sandhi.
Savarna Sandhi.
When I ask you to, okay, hold on. When I ask you to explain, you have to say Yati. This is the first word, Purva Padam, ending with the letter E, followed by the Parapadam, which is beginning with E. E is followed by E. E is Talu, and the following is also E. Therefore, E and E, they are similar to each other. Because they are similar to each other. Why similar? Because Talu, both are Talu. You have to say palate. Therefore, both will be replaced by this rule, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi rule, both by replaced by its long form. Therefore, E, Itindraha. You have to say like this.
Okay.
You say like this, you get a lot of information. You are saying it is a Talu. You are saying it is Savarna. Why it is Savarna? Because the Uchchana Sthanam. But Uchchana Sthanam you have to tell.
Okay.
Why it is not by other letters, I asked. Because they don't have similar place of pronunciation. It cannot be replaced by A. A is guttural, E is Talu. Therefore, A cannot come. U cannot come because it is labial. R cannot come, it is cerebral. You have to explain like this. Sundarji. Next one.
Api plus itamam.
Idam only, not idamam.
Idam. Apitam. Padati plus iyatam.
Not iyatam. Where is iyatam?
Iyamam, sorry.
Where is iyamam?
Ma.
That's all. Iya, where is ma? Ma itself is not there.
Padati plus ma.
It's not ma.
There is a.
This is not ma.
Okay.
This is pure consonant. Ma is makara plus akara, that is ma.
Okay.
It is, how do you say, pronounce this? Yam.
Yam. Okay, yam.
Sundarji, I think you have to practice reading the script. Okay. So I would recommend you join the very basic class one is that. You also join there and join B here also, both. Because you know the script, but you are making mistakes in reading the script. And also, you read this again, which is highlighted.
Patati.
It is patati, not padati. You said padati. Da is different,
patati.
Ta is different.
Okay. Patati plus
Patati. Mahaprana.
Patati. Okay. Patati. Patati plus iyam.
Ucharanam is very important in Sanskritam.
Okay.
Patati plus iyam, patatiyam. It is iyam. This is, iyam is makara here. It is not a. It is, there is no a here. When you say ma, ending with the sound a, where is the vowel here? There is no vowel. Therefore, yam. It is only yam, not yama, not yamam.
Okay, yam.
Okay, next person. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Iti plus idam. Iti idam.
Yes.
And next one. Muni plus Ishwaraha. Munishwaraha.
Okay, good. Next person, Padmaji.
I'm lost it. 1 minute. Muni. Oh,
You are
Muni
using
plus
mobile.
Iti.
That is why it's a problem. It gives a laptop.
No,
And,
see, the reason, Sharanji, my audio, the laptop is not working. I have to fix it. I used to borrow my husband, but he is on call. Okay, I got it. Muni plus iti, Muni iti. Shri plus ishaha, Shri shaha.
Next person, Manjulaji.
Vani plus ichhati. Vani ichhati.
What does it mean?
Ichhati. I don't know, Guruji.
Ichhati, he desires.
Ichha is desire. Yeah, Guruji.
Vani desires. It's a sentence. Vani plus ichhati is Vani chati. Right?
Okay.
So it's a sentence. Sentence with a kriya padam.
Guruji, ichhati is just like the verb form.
Yes, a verbal form, yes.
Verbal form. Okay.
Vani plus ichhati, Vani chati. So Vani chati will be there. When Vani chati is there, you have to split the sentence. In the lesson, it will be like this, Vani chati. So you should know what it is. What is Vani chati? Ichhati, desires. Who desires? Vani, the name of the person. Srilinga, Vani, like Nadi. That's why the Sandhi is very important. We read the Gita and all, you have to, unless you know Sandhi, you cannot split and cannot understand it unless you split. Okay. So Vani Chati. Continue.
Hari plus iha. Hariha.
Rajeshwari ji.
Saraswati plus Ishwari.
Ishwari.
Ishwari. Saraswati Ishwari. Mai plus idam. Maidam.
Manjari ji.
Yes, Guruji. I'll try to explain it the way you, just for practice, the way you said we should do it. So, lala yati plus eva. the Purva Padam
Eva.
ends in eva. So
Eva.
eva, eva,
Say
eva.
va.
Va,
Va.
va, va.
Va is dental and labial. Va.
Yeah.
Eva.
Va, eva,
Eva.
eva.
Yes. The word you have
So
to practice va. Something is
va, va.
Va.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, fine.
Yeah. So the Purva Padam ends in E and the Parapadam starts with E. So both are Savarna. So the Adesha becomes a Dirgha E. So the word becomes Lala Yativa.
Yes.
Then Tishtanti, Tishtanti. So again Purva Padam ends in E and the Parapadam starts with the E. So the Adesha becomes a Dirgha E and that is Tishtanti plus Indrajita is Tishtan Indrajit. So Tishtantindrajit.
Yes, Tishtantindradish. Tishtantindrajit.
Tishtantindrajit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next
This is
person.
also same Guruji. Tishtanti verbal
Yes.
form
Yes,
and
yes,
Indrajit noun.
Yes. Indrajit Tishtanti. You can write any way you like because in Sanskritam the words can be anywhere, so the meaning will not change. Tishtanti Indrajit means Indrajit is standing. Okay, next person. Bhuvaneshwari.
Guruji. Varuni plus Indrani. Varuni Indrani. Varuni Purvapadam ends with E and Indrani Parapadam starts with E. So similar E. So it will become, the knee will become Dirgha. So Varuni Indrani.
Purvapadam Dirgha E.
Yeah,
Yes.
Dirgha E only.
Purvapadam Dirgahi, Uttarapadam Rasvahi, Purvaparayoho Sthane, Dirgha E Adeshaha Bhavati. Okay, continue. Next one, Bhuvaneshwari. Duravani.
Duravani plus Ichati. Purvapadam Dirgha E and Ichati Harasva E. So Duravani Ichati.
Next person.
Guruji, 1 second, Guruji.
Yeah.
Varuni and Indrani, these are Strilinga nouns, Guruji.
Yes.
Varuni, Indrani. Yeah.
Yes, Strilinga. Next person, Kosalaji.
Nadi plus iti, naditi. Gacchami plus iti, gachamiti.
Yes. So we have seen the combination of akara and then ikara. Now ukara comes. Maji.
Guru plus upadeshaha, guru upadeshaha. Teshu plus.
Yeah, you can see u plus u becomes dirgha u. Right?
Teshu plus upajayate, teshu upajayate.
Yes. Next person, Priyaji.
Karotu plus utsavam. Karotu vasam. Oh no. Karotutsavam. Banu plus udayaha. Banu dayaha.
Raja.
Sadhu plus utkam. Sadhukam. Vadu plus utsavaha. Vadutsavaha.
Next one also you can read.
Jamu plus urjaha. Jamurjaha.
Jammu. Where is Jammu?
Sorry, Chamu.
You also have to correct the Ucharana.
Yes,
Chakara, Chakara.
Yeah.
We are in the 60, I think more than 60 classes. Okay. This Ucharanam of the letter is important.
Okay, good.
See, difference between the Tamil and Sanskritam is these forms, the letters. In Tamil we don't have, it's only one letter. Depending on the context becomes cha, ja and all. Sanskritam it is not. If you change the pronunciation, the meaning will change. Chamu is army, not Jammu. Chamu plus Urjaha. Okay, next person. Now the combination of the letter Rikara, which is a part of Ag. R plus R will become R. Lataji.
Pitru plus Runam. Pitru.
Rinam, not Rinam.
Pitru plus Runam. Pitrunam. Pitrunam.
Pitrunam.
Pitrunam. Purva ends with Ashwaru and Parapadam ends with Dirgaru.
Not Dirgaru. There is. It is not Ru. It is R. Purva Padam ends with Rikara. Uttara Padam begins with Rikara. Therefore, Rikara plus Rikara becomes Rukara.
Rukara.
Pitrunam.
Nam.
Okay.
Blatru plus Riddhi. Bratrudi.
No. Bharatru. I think you all have to practice reading Sanskritam. Bharatru plus Riddhihi. It is Riddhihi. Mahaprana. Riddhi. Kanjan consonant. Riddhihi. Bhatrudhihi.
Bratrudi.
Bhatrudhihi. Bratru. Rasva Rikara plus Riddhihi. Bhatrudhihi.
Bratrudi.
Guruji, what is the meaning of this word? Bratradhi?
Bratra is brother. Riddhihi is growth. Growth of the brother.
Okay, thank you.
Then next one, you can continue.
Kartru plus Rijuhu. Kartrujuhu.
Kartrajuga. How can be Kartrajuga? If it is Kartrajuga, then it is not Dirgha. Then it cannot come under the Sandhi.
Kartrujuhu.
Kartrajugu. Kartra plus Rajuhu.
Kartrujuhu.
Do you see the long R?
Yes, Guruji, yes. Kartrujuhu.
Okay. Now, note. What is a note? R and L, they are savarna to each other. This is one information you need to note that. Rikara and Likara, they are savarna to each other. Rikara is murdanya, cerebral. Likara is dental, dantya. Even though it is ucharana sthanams are different, but still they are considered to be savarna in Samskrita Vyakaranam. You have to note that. All these are exceptions, okay? R and L are savarna to each other. Therefore, now I'll ask you, you think an answer. Purva Padam ends with Likara. Uttara Padam begins with Likara. So, L plus L, what will happen?
Lu only.
Lu only.
Only.
Double Lu, Guruji.
No. Dirgha Lu.
There is no Dirgha L ruled out. If there is a Dirgha L in Sanskritam.
Dirgha Ru, Guruji.
Very good. That is Dirgha Ru. Because Savarna is said.
Yeah.
How can be two L? It cannot be two L. It cannot be Dirgha L. There is no Dirgha Likara. Don't forget the basic Aksharam. That is Dirgha L in Sanskritam. Not there. That is, see, otherwise what is the connection between what I said and what I asked? I said R and L are savarna to each other, I said. Therefore, L plus L will be Dirgha R. R will be the replacement. Understand? We don't have any examples for that. I just asked you to think. If such forms come, then you should be able to say it is Dirgha Rikara. Understand all of you what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
So now you have to think. Many things are going to come. You have to think a lot. So R plus R becomes R. R plus L. Okay, what is R plus L? Dirgha R. So, because they are savarna to each other, therefore both will be replaced by the long R only, not L. Anyway, it's a tricky question. Now, the next example. Here the answers are not there. You have to say the answer. Sundarji. Abhyasam kuruta. This is for the practice. Yes, please read.
Vani plus
Ishaha.
Ishaha, Vanishaha.
Vanishaha. Okay.
Vanishaha.
Continue.
Avyayasya plus astya.
Avyayasya plus asya will be equal to
Abhyasyasya.
Avyayas. Okay. Anybody?
Avyayasya.
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 Avyayasyasya.
Avyayasyasya. Avyayasya plus asya will be Avyayasyasya. Continue. Sundarji, next two also. Sundarji, you can read. Tyagi.
Tyagi plus iti. Tyagi plus iti. Tagiti.
Tya, it is not ta. Tyagi plus iti.
Tyagi plus iti. Tyagiti.
Tyagiti. You have to say Tyagiti. You cannot make it short. Tyagiti. Okay. It's a long vowel. Right?
Okay. Tyagiti. Tadha plus api. Tadhapi.
Tadhapi. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Sadhvi plus yam. Sadhviyam.
Yes.
Can you just move the next one, Guruji? Yeah, next one. Teshu plus upajayate. Teshu upajayate. Gauri plus ikshate. Gauri kshate. Sorry, I lost that. Yeah.
Asti.
Asti plus iti. Astiti.
Astiti. Astiti.
Astiti.
Next person. Padmaji. Each one can read 4. Padmaji can read.
Now can okay.
Yes.
Tapasa plus ashrama. Tapasashrama. Yatha plus akashe. Yathakashe. Tasu plus uttama. Tasutama. Right?
Yeah, continue.
Oh. Achirena plus adigachati. Achirenadi-gachati. Achirenadi-gachati.
Yes, Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji. Sushtu plus uchuhu. Sushtuchuhu. Pratishta plus aham. Pratishtaham. Shasthani plus indriyani. Shashtanindriyani. Giri plus indraha. Girindraha.
Next person, Rajeshwariji.
Na plus atitam. Natitam.
Again?
Na plus atitam. Natitam.
Natitam. Yes. Continue.
Sukh plus asanam.
Again?
Sukhas.
Read again.
Sukha plus asanam. Sukhasanam.
Sukha, not sukh. Okay.
Alpa plus aksharanam.
Again?
Alpa plus aksharanam.
Where is Aksharanam?
Aksharanam.
Kutra asti nakara. Do you see nakara there?
No, aksharanam.
Where is Aksharanam?
Sorry.
Read again. Letter by letter you read.
Alpa plus aksharanam.
Nam, kutra.
Anam, okay. Ram. Aksharam.
Where is not Aksharanam?
Sorry. Aksharam.
Aksharam.
Sorry. Alpa plus Aksharam. Alpaksharam.
Alpaksharam asandigdam. Saravat Vishwatomukam. Alpaksharam. Alpa plus Aksharam.
Puranam plus Eva plus Avashishyate.
Where is Puranam?
Puranam, sorry, ma half. Sorry. Puranam plus
Again, where is Pura? There is no Pura.
Puranam.
Where is, again, read again.
Puranam. Puranam.
Here, Pu and Repa is a Pur. Then
Puranam.
Purnam. Purnamadav, Purnamidam, Purnam.
Puranam plus
Say again.
Puranam. Puranam. Guruji, I guess I have to also join the classes which you told before that you are
Basic
going
class,
to
yes.
start basic classes.
Many of
yes?
you have to join. What to do?
Did you start there?
That is from the Akshara again. Anyway, it's starting from the Akshara. I just completed the vowels. Now consonants. You join that also and be there also.
Yeah, please.
Both.
How can I join there?
I'll let you know after the class.
Okay, thank you, please. Thank you. Thank
Ucharanam
you.
is important. Ucharanam,
Yes.
many of you have problem with the Ucharanam, pronunciation of the words. Yeah.
Yes, I can understand it's a Dirgapu, but when I speak, it's like a Puranam. But I have to say Puranam, right?
Yeah,
I
please
need
read.
practice.
Yes.
Sorry. Puranam
Plus,
plus Eva plus Avashishyate. Purnavashishyate.
really? How it becomes Purna Vashishyate?
Purnam. Purnam.
Here, three words are there. Okay, you have to join. Here,
Purnam.
what is this letter?
A plus
No, I'm highlighting it.
Ma, half ma.
You cannot say half ma.
Yeah.
Either you say ma,
only Vyanjan.
Vyanjanam, not Vyanjan, Vyanjanam.
Only Vyanjanam.
So how do you say it? How do you pronounce it?
Purnam, ma.
No, what is that letter alone?
Ma, only half ma. Ma.
No, you cannot pronounce that. You cannot pronounce
Makara.
that. You have to say,
Makara. Okay.
you have to say, you cannot pronounce. Makara is a name by which you can identify that particular pure consonant. Makara. So, ma means different.
Yes.
If you say ma means ending with the vowel a, that is different. Ma is different, makara is different. Ma is makara plus akara is equal to ma. Okay, therefore.
So, Purnameva Vashishyate.
Now, here makara is there. Makara plus a. What will happen?
Me.
It is sandhi or what is that?
It's a sandhi, but ma
Not
plus
sandhi.
a.
It is not sandhi, just melanam. Okay. Understand the difference between sandhi and melanam. Melanam is just joining. Makara plus a will be equal to what? Me. Makara plus a is equal to ma. All these things we are seeing in the basic. Makara plus a will be equal to what? Makara plus a is equal to?
Ma.
Ma. Long one. Makara plus e is equal to?
Me. Me. Short. Me.
E. Makara plus e is equal to?
Me.
All these are sandhi.
No.
No. This is consonant vowel combination. Basic class.
Yes.
This is also basic only. It is not advanced class. So these are melanam, not sandhi. Combination of the consonant with the vowel. So here, that is what has happened. Makara plus a. What will happen?
Purname.
Purnameva
Vashishyate.
Now sandhi is between eva and avashishyate.
Avashishyate.
Eva is ending with what letter?
A plus a.
A plus a. So, there only you have to apply.
Meva.
So the answer will be like this.
Purnameva Vashishyate.
Purnameva Vashishyate. Purnameva me va va shishyate. This is the answer, right?
Yes. Purnameva vashishyate.
So eva plus avashishyate, va plus, that is a plus a, becomes va. Va vashishyate. And ye, what happened to ye? Ye joined with the preceding consonant, that is melanam, not sandhi.
Okay, yes.
You should not understand the difference between melanam and sandhi. This is melanam. Melanam is different, sandhi is different. What we learned, consonant vowel combination, that is melanam. Okay, understand the difference, please.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
continue. I think you are done now, finished. Next person, Manjari.
Yes, Guruji. Dirgha plus Adesha.
Sorry, just a minute.
Yeah. Yes.
Dirgha plus Adesha.
Yeah. Dirgha plus Adesha is Dirghadesha. Desha.
Okay.
Then Deva plus Aravindaha. Devarvindaha.
Yes.
Bhavati plus iti is Bhavatiti. Bhavatiti. Ashtadasha plus Adhyayini is Ashtadashadhyayini.
Ashtadashadhyayini.
Yes. Yes.
Next person, Bhuvneshwari.
Yes, Guruji. Tatra plus apashyat. Tatra pashyat. Kripaya plus avishtam. Kripaya vishtam. Gita plus amritam. Gita amritam. Puja plus arhav. Puja arhav.
Yes. Kausalya. Just a minute. Yeah, can read.
Sura plus Asura Ganaha. Surasura Ganaha. Api plus Iha. Apiha. Gopala plus Anandaha. Gopalanandaha. Mama plus Apanudyat. Mamapanudyat.
All these are from Gita. Kumaji.
Paraya plus Avishtaha. Parayavishtaha. Ardham plus
Where is Ardham?
Abhibhavat.
Where is Ardham? Please read again.
Adram.
No. Read properly.
Adha. Ma.
Ru is after ma or where is
Before.
it? Before? Before which letter?
No, after ma.
If it is after ma, then it should come after that. Right?
Admram.
No.
Abhibhavat.
See, if repa is there after ma, then it becomes adamar.
Adamar.
But it is not like that.
Okay.
Repa is there.
Adharma.
Adharma. So,
Adharma
you
Abhibhavat.
understand this. Suppose if you happen to see like this, repa is first, followed by makara, then a. Right?
Yeah.
So repa is first. So the preceding letter is dha. So dhar, you have to say dharma, dharma, right?
Yeah.
Read it. Now read it.
Adharma plus Abhibhavat. Adharma Bhibavat.
Continue.
Cha plus Adipatyam. Chadipatyam. Na plus Anushochitutam.
Read again.
Na plus Anushochitum.
Anushochitum.
Na Anushochitum.
Nanushochitum.
Nanushochitum.
Next person, Priyaji. Please read.
Na plus Anushocanti. Nanushocanti. Shrutva plus api. Shrutvapi.
Read.
Na
Continue.
plus asam.
Asam.
Oh, sorry. Once again. Na plus asam. Nasam. Chahati plus iha.
Read again.
Chahati.
Jahati.
Jahati plus iha. Jahatiha.
Okay. Next person. Rajaji.
धूमेन प्लस आव्रियते धूमेना व्रियते यति प्लस ईदृशम
Again.
ईदृशम
Again.
यति प्लस ईदृशम
Idrusham.
ईदृशम यदि दृशम च प्लस
Yes, continue.
च प्लस अकीर्तिः चाकीर्तिः इंद्रियाणि प्लस इंद्रियार धर्म्यः
Dharmyah. Kutra asti dharmyah? I think more than the Sandhi exercise, I think we are trying to practice reading of words this class. Read again this word.
इंद्रियार धर्मेभ्यः.
Where is dharmebhyah? Kutra asti dharmebhyah? There is no word dharmebhyah. I think after some class, I will let you know. We all better join the reading class. Okay, the basic class. Many of you who have difficulty in reading, because reading is important first, and then only this next level. You join that big class also, and this also you join. This already you are doing. Therefore, don't give up this. But when it comes to the reading practice, I'm going to do reading practice. Not now. It will take many classes. So let you know. You join that also. Because reading is a problem.
Indriyarthebhyah.
It's fine. I'm asking, just telling those people who have difficulty in reading, you have to improve your reading. To improve reading, you have to practice. Indriyarthebhyah. And Ucharanam are very important. Mahaprana. Thebhyah. Bhyaga also Mahaprana. Bhakara also Mahaprana. Indriyarthebhyah. Okay, Indriyani plus Indriyarthebhyah. Where is Adharmebhyah? Dharmebhyah. There is no word. Makara itself is not there. Rajaji.
Correct. Sorry, Guruji.
So I'll let you know when we do the reading practice in that class. Please join that. Or you asked me before. Many of you, I've seen many of you have problem in reading fluently the Sanskrit words. Okay. So Indriyani plus Indriyarthebhyah, Indriyarthebhyah. It's from Gita only. All these are from Gita. Okay, the next person. Sundarji.
Tava plus ahita, tavahita.
Tava plus ahita, not ahita.
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 Okay. Tava plus ahita, tavahita. Sanyasya plus adhyatma
Sanyasya plus adhyatma chetasa.
Chetasa. Sanyasyatma chetasa.
Sanyasyadhyatma chetasa.
San adhyatma
No.
chetasa.
Adhyatma chetasa. Anyway, no problem. Leave that. Continue.
Na plus abhinantati नानभिनन्दति
नाभिनन्दति
नाभिनन्दति च प्लस
अयुक्तस्य
अयुक्तस्य
चायुक्तस्य.
चायुक्तस्य.
Okay, we can stop here. Some of you, I will recommend you please join the reading class. Reading class means reading has not yet started. I'm teaching them only the basic vowels only over. Consonants I have to teach them, and then consonant vowel combination, then conjugate consonant. After that, reading practice. When you do the reading practice, that time those are difficult in reading, you can join. Okay. Because at this point, you should not have problem of reading the Sanskrit words. So I would recommend you join. Otherwise, you practice also. That is also fine. You practice daily reading 10-15 minutes, reading any text fluently. Fluently, you should be able to read. There should not be problem in identifying the words, identify the letters. And also conjunct consonants, some people have problem. This, particularly with the repa. When repa comes out to read that. So I would recommend you practice or join. If you choose, if you want to join, you can join. I'll let you know when it comes, or you remind me, you ask me, because I will not remember. So if you ask me when we come to reading part, that time I'll let you know. You ask me and I can join. Okay. So this is this simple sandhi. This is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Many examples are there. I can send you this. You can practice. You can practice joining the words. Many examples are there. Okay. In one way, do it in the class helps to know that how you read also. Slowly, you will see that we are going to increase the words and the other rules will come. So please practice. Please practice this. Next class, we'll continue with this. Because more other exercises are there. So we will do in the class itself. So I don't have to send this to you today. Now we will practice in the class because it involves reading. Okay. So this is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. After Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, we will see the next Sandhi and Sandhi. The reason for teaching this now is since you are in a Gita and Upanishad class, it will be easy for you to understand when I talk about Sandhi rules. That is why I am trying that. Simple Sandhi rules only. That's Sandhi. Okay. So we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. You can message me privately if you want to join the basic class. Okay. I will not read the message. I will keep the message as it is. So that if you read the message, I will forget you to. Otherwise, I can add you in the group. You send me the message, I will add you in that group. When the topic comes, you can join. Okay.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.